This video is about how to graph on a TI-84 Plus. So we press on, then we go and press y equals, then we type in the equation. It must be in the form of y equals. So we're going to graph 2x plus 5. In order to see the graph, we're going to press the graph button. We can change the window or the view that we see by pressing this button. Right now it's set up to view from -10 to +10 in the x direction and -10 to +10 in the y direction. We can change that to any values we want. So let's do -100 to +100 in the x direction, -100 to +100 in the y direction. Press graph again, and we have our line. We can also use the zoom button and do zoom in, and then press enter to zoom in. We can also use the zoom box if we want to look at a certain piece of it. So then we use the cursor, press enter once, start drawing your box, press enter again. We can also find certain points on the line by using a trace and using a cursor to move the tracer up and down the line. If there's more than one line graphed, the up and down arrows here will switch between graphs. This video is how to graph a graph on QuickGraph using the iTouch or the iPad. In order to put in an equation, the first thing we're going to do is press the plus sign. Then we type in our equation. So the plus sign is up here, our equation editor is down here. We're going to type 2x plus 5. Press done, and we got our line on the screen. To zoom in and zoom out, we use two fingers. That's zoom in, zoom out, that's zoom in. To find a specific point on the graph, we just press our finger and hold, and we get our trace function. If we want to change the color of the graph, we go up to the equations button and click directly on the blue arrow, and that will get you into the color picker. And we could pick a color. We can add a tag if we wanted to. Press equations again, and we have our tag for our line. And you notice the colors change now. If we want to edit a function, we can delete it. Or if we just click on the function itself without being under edit, we can actually go in and change the values of the function. And that's how you graph on QuickGraph.